What's up, buddy? How you
like
doing?
A dinosaur.
Yeah, it's right on his back. Look at that.
What is up, you guys? I am currently in Louisiana. I've just taken an Uber about 50 minutes outside of New Orleans to come to this airboat tour because I am going to be doing this crazy fast airboat. I'm going to go seeing a bunch of alligators and all that stuff today. I'm actually joined with Laura today. She has joined me for this tour. But first, I got to show you guys this footage from a couple days ago. So we were filming an episode of the TV show here in New Orleans, and we went to Six Flags. And one of the days that we're filming, it just happened to flood like crazy. And if you see my, if you saw my stories on Instagram, you would have seen the crazy event that happened. Pretty wild because we were talking about Hurricane Katrina and everything for the Six Flags. Like, that's the reason. And we just so happened to then get like, you know, 2 or 3 feet of flood water in the city while we're filming it. And so I filmed this footage beforehand, so I want you guys to check this out before we do this gator tour. So guys, I was just woken up in my hotel room at 6 a.m. by an alarm going off. It says there's, you know, there's an emergency and to get out of the hotel. And then it stops abruptly and the hotel manager says, guys, there's actually a flood outside. Do not leave your rooms. Don't come downstairs because the hotel lobby is completely flooded. And look outside. Look at this right now. It's flooded out in the streets of New Orleans. Look at this car right here. There is actually trash floating down the street. There is, you know, a fire truck driving down. The fire truck's about to hit the trash bags. This is, look at it. Oh, and now the trash bag's stuck under the wheels. But this is crazy. I was also literally just having a dream about a flood because we've been talking about it so much here. It's the craziest thing to wake up to. I literally feel like I'm in an apocalypse right now. This is crazy. Alright, let's do it. We got our drones ready, just in case.
What an experience, man.
I know.
Oh yeah, it's floating right here. That's trouble. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh, we can go outside.
Makes nice pictures. This is crazy. Look at this, watch this. Yo, Paul, how hard is this gonna make it filming today?
Oh, this is gonna be alright. Just make sure to wear your swimsuit. We're fine, man. We're fine.
We couldn't go outside, but Tamara, our producer, just texted the group and said that there's easy access to the roof. So maybe we can get up on the roof and then fly the drone as well. It'll be insane. I was just in the lobby and they're actually about to cut the power. And so they said we had to leave the lobby because there's outlets. And when they cut the power, there's a chance the water could shock. We can get electrocuted. So that's why we had to leave the lobby. But the roof is much better. This is wild.
Get the drone out, man.
Hell yeah.
There are alligators swimming in the
I just
streets.
climbed 10 flights of stairs, bro.
I know, right?
Sirens are going off, and we're gonna see if we can take up the drone here from the top of this roof. Oh wow, it's getting closer. Alright, we're gonna see if we can take it off. I've sent out the recon drone. fire truck right below us right now. There's fire trucks all over the place. But it seems like our block is the worst. I think the pumps are actually working though. The water is going down a little bit. So it shouldn't be too bad. You can just see out there, the block's not too bad. So it's like just right here. It's kind of strange how our street was the most flooded. But over there, they seem fine. And it's starting to rain now. Great. Paul, are there bagels still?
I don't know, we have to send the drone out to get some bagels.
2 hours after all of this started, it's now like 8:30 in the morning, and the streets are all well again. There are cars driving all around. All that's left is the sewers completely clogged with trash, and just a whole lot of messes everywhere. But everything is going back to normal pretty much. Unfortunately, the lobby is still kind of closed off. I think it's still a little bit flooded. They're trying to get the water out, so we're waiting for breakfast. But yeah, this concludes this segment of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. That was a wild ride. You can see the fire trucks going all throughout the city, and it's just like, it was such like a surreal, apocalyptic morning. But that was a lot of fun. We continued filming, had a great shoot, and now we are finished, and I'm here in Louisiana for another few days. And I think Laura and I are gonna hop on this boat right now and go see some gators. So to get to the really good like swamp tours, you have to come about an hour outside of New Orleans here in Louisiana. And this is where like the bigger alligators are. These ones are huge. I already saw one when I was filming earlier this week. It was like 14 feet and it was really epic. So I wanted to come and film my own video on it because it was just so much fun when we went out there and did it ourselves. We've begun and we're about to head out of the main bayou, and it's gonna be crazy because once we get out there, we start going about 60 miles an hour. We gotta put these on. We gotta put these on. Once we get like out past the little, you know, the little slow area, slow zone.
I feel like I'm in Animal Kingdom, like in Disneyland. I'm so excited. I feel like a kid, like, like let's ride.
All right, here we go.
Come on. Oh, she's coming. Catch him underneath here. And you can pet her. She's actually getting really cool where you can actually pet her. Hey, how's it going? No? You let me pet you? Huh? Good girl. Look at this girl. Yeah. She purrs.
Was she purring? Yeah. Oh, look at this one.
That's Alice. She's got her nose all full of clay. So she's working on. Manger, manger. Manger. Manger, sticks and all. Swallow it down.
Oh.
It's like a horse.
A little burp. You gonna behave yourself? No. No. We're not gonna mess with her. She's been snooty. Hey, Bobs.
Moly. He could drive.
Manger, manger.
Manger, manger.
What's up, buddy? How
Sounds
you
like
doing?
a dinosaur.
Yeah, tag on his back. Look at this. You have a new jacket.
Camouflage. Oh, you missed it, bub. Now you got it. Is that better?
Yeah, that's a real good one.
Hey, come
Literally
on.
a dinosaur.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Come on. Who's a good boy, huh? Yeah, who's a good boy. So I do believe they do like a little bit of human touch every now and then. So he's checking on his honeys, making sure they're okay. Bubba's got from those boat sheds all the way back to the Boison. up to the point, all through this part of the swamp.
Bubba is massive, and he's just like, really chill. He's just chill. He's been chilling next to this boat for 10 minutes. Can you believe there's a 12-foot alligator just chilling next to our boat?
He's not doing anything. Wow.
He's literally just hanging out. And then when we took a picture, he just smiled.
Yeah, we can just sit right there in front of it.
Yeah, we sat right in front of the boat. He put his face up and smiled, kind of. Or he kind of hissed, but I think it was a smile. We just came back from the alligator tour and it was a lot of fun. It was my second time this week doing it, and your first time ever.
It was my first time.
How'd you like it?
It was great. We saw, what, 3?
We saw, well, like 3 main ones. We saw 3 main alligators, but there was like maybe 5 or 6 total we saw just floating about. They're all over. It was really cool. But we came back another hour Uber drive back to the hotel, and we went out to Bourbon Street where we got these famous po' boys, or at least I was told. I got a haircut here about a couple days ago, and the hairdresser said, so I go to this place called NOLA Po' Boys. So that's where we went. We walked 15 minutes to this place for NOLA Po' Boys, and this is what we got here. It might not look like much. It might just look like a regular sandwich. But the way I can sum it up is it's like basically, it's like a sloppy sub. That's really it.
Sandwich, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a sloppy sandwich. I got roast beef, and really it's just kind of a sloppy sandwich, and that's, I mean, they're really good. Here, this is gonna be my first one.
Let's try it.
It's really good. It's really good. I got roast beef. What did you get? Chicken?
Yeah, grilled chicken.
I got roast beef. And the whole thing to it is that it's very saucy, very sloppy, very moist. I don't know. It's like, I don't know how else to describe it. It's really good. NOLA Po' Boy is supposedly one of the best, so that's where we got it. But tomorrow we're gonna have a full day exploring all around New Orleans. So that's gonna be cool. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, Rogue Nation, explore the world.